In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Microsoft Outlook calendar color fast 2025 guide. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and how to make your calendar stand out so your schedule is easier to read at a glance. Start by opening your browser, searching for Microsoft Outlook, and signing in to your account. If you land in Mail by default, that's fine. Look for the calendar icon in the navigation, usually on the left side or along the bottom. Click that to switch into the calendar view. Once you're in Calendar, decide which calendar you want to recolor. You'll see a list on the left, often under My Calendars or Other Calendars. Make sure the one you want is visible and selected so you can see its events on the grid. Now move your mouse over that calendar's name. You should see 3 dots appear, often called More Options. Click those 3 dots to open the quick menu. In that menu, choose Color. Outlook will show you a palette of color choices. Click the color you like and the change will apply immediately to all events on that specific calendar. There's no save button. Your choice is applied right away. If you don't like how it looks, simply open the same menu again and pick a different color. You can repeat this anytime. A few helpful tips while you do this. If you manage multiple calendars, work, personal, team, or shared, use distinct high contrast colors to tell them apart quickly. Keep similar hues for related schedules and contrasting hues for unrelated ones to reduce visual clutter. Your color choice is personal to your view. If it's a shared calendar, other people won't see your color preference unless they set it themselves. If you don't see the 3 dots, try hovering directly over the calendar name or expanding the calendar list so the full name is visible. Also, colors can appear slightly different in dark mode versus light mode, so choose one that stays readable in the theme you use most. Remember, changing a calendar color is different from using categories inside events. Categories color individual items, while the calendar color tints all events on that calendar for quick recognition. That's all there is to it. Sign in, open calendar, pick the calendar you want, click the 3 dots, select color, and choose your favorite shade. With just a few clicks, your Outlook calendar becomes cleaner, more organized, and easier to scan. Thanks for watching and enjoy your newly color-coded schedule.